Can I see skin now? Pratik and Nitin, Sudeep. Should very good evening. Should any doubts in asked to previous section? Should only three topics are pending, right? Only three topics are pending. These topics we'll discuss today. Should any questions here? Should any doubts? Should most of topic discussed? Okay. Only a few topics are pending. The topics are complete as well possibly. So we have two sections, right? Today and next week, next Saturday also a section. Should we discuss today topics here? Can I see the screen now? So next go to theory application. So generally theory is not our topic. Theory is not required. This is optional only. So theory not required for you. This is optional only. Just you can prepare for theoretical what is theory applications, what are the theory principles are there. These topics you can discuss only. Theory. So for theory separately we have theory consultants. So theory point of we have theory developers are there. These theory developers are responsible for this theory activities. Should theory is a theory user interface. Once you enter the T code here, you can download this theory interface here. I'll show you. 1 minute, I will show you. Theory is a user interface here. This theory is not required for theory. Suppose if you require here, you can access, you can download this theory application with your mobile app. You can download your reports into theory, any approvals here. You can give approvals into theory. These are required for only for approval purpose, but not a mandatory theory. Theory is user interface. This is not a mandate. Optional only. Optional only. As per the client requirement. For theory, separately here theory developers are there. So these theory developers are responsible for add any space into theory applications. Should next go to theory applications. To log into SAP screen, should log into SAP screen. So log into SAP screen. You can see. SAP screen, log into SAP. Again, re-log into SAP screen. Enter username and password. To enter username and password here. So here the theory, UI12, I can say the theory only. Click on theory launchpad here. It's not open theory. Theory launchpad. If you click on this application theory user interface. So click on allow here. Allow means you can open two room. So theory is a third party tool. So it open Internet Explorer. So answer third party tool. So click on continue this website. So you click on continue website. You enter the username here. Should enter the username 57. 57. You enter username and password. You can log in here. So this is Theory Launchpad. Here you can log in. So here you can log in also. You can log in here. But Theory is the interface only, user interface here. So you can open this only, this Theory application. But your practice server, it will take some time, but a real time. So depends on the client to client, but many clients not occur Theory. But Theory, you can download Theory into your mobile app. For new sales point of view. why query is useful for download reports for approvals? So in this purpose, you can utilize the query. Query is a user interface something. You download some answer reports here. Unable to open your screen here in exposure, taking some time. You can download report something. And also answer parameter can download. So this is query. So why query means here? Query is only interface only, only optional. You can say query means. So in interview point of view, examination point query not required for you. So query is not required for you, but just you can understand what is query. Query is only user interface. Only query interface. So cloud version you can access query. Cloud version they can provide some configurations. So not configurations. So this is getting available on query applications. Query interface. What is query principles? So query principles are there. Query apps are there. They are important. They are something. So query here we have 5 principles something. So they are the query principles. So query is role based. The other query have 5 principles. Here query is a role based. Query is a role based only. That is, we have roles only. Sales head, sales manager, zone manager, financial list, financial role, HR executive. They are query is role only. Query is a role based. What is query here? Query is role based only. Query is a role based. So query is a role based only. It's all so query responsiveness. That means what is query responsiveness here? Query will support all languages. So query will support all languages. Query will support all devices responsiveness. So query will support all devices. Query will support all devices. Next, all devices query will support for mobile, laptop, iPad, desktop, all devices. Next, simple. That means you can use can access one user code 3 skills. This is very simple. Next, query is single coherence. That query are all languages. Query are all languages. Next, delightful, very easy to access query application. So this query application very easy to access only. All application.
Is same like a Salesforce software?
Salesforce not like that, but query only app only, one mobile app. You can download, can approve purpose. Something can replace.
Okay.
So this is not required only for one user interface. Support depends upon the client. Many clients not using, only very rare scenarios. Additionally required query means here, query developers are there. They are the 5 query principles. So this is not required for any examination point of view. So if you go to any interview, never ask about query. Entry point of view, examination. This is not required for you. Query is a separate topic. Separate user interface here. So next you can see query applications, query transactional app. That means all transaction can be master data on the transaction, sales order, delivery being available. Master data, what is transaction application here? Master data or transaction data. So next analytical app, all calculation parts, all calculation, all analysis data. Next fact sheets. So what is fact sheets here? 360-degree fact sheets only. 360 degrees of bar charts. So you can open query in mobile app. Go to Play Store, query mobile app. Next username password. So this is query application. Query is the 5 principles. Next query application. So query is a user interface. So this is about query. Query not required for you any examination purpose. Just you need to understand what is query principles, what is query applications. So this is required for them. This is enough for you, not required in depth about query. So next you can see batch management. Suppose if you want to determine batch here, system will limit these parameters. So middle master maintain the batch only. So middle master say general plan maintain check the batch management, check batch only. So create a batch MS70 code, return batch VC20 code. So this batch management configuration done by MMT. Suppose depends on the client to client. So few clients require batch. This is rare scenario, not mandatory. So they have to determine batch only. They have to assign the stock into batch wise. So in this scenario, we have to create a batch T code MSC1 T code. This is batch management. So next about rebates. So in SAP S1 rebates replaces settlement management. Should as of now many clients not using rebates. Should as of now many clients not using rebates only. Why rebate is not at the market? Why rebate is not at the market only? So customers are not prepared to rebates only. The customers are not prepared to rebates. That's the rebate is not required for much. Should we have to understand what is rebate and what is the discount? So many clients not using rebates. So customers always preference discounts only. So you have to understand what is difference between rebates and discount. So what is price discount here? So whatever you purchase, suppose you have a discount only. After discount only, you can pay the so amount. So this is discount. What is rebates here? Suppose customer order one shirt 1,000 rupees. So 10% discount. That is net value 900 only. This is called discount. What about discount rebate here? Suppose customer purchase 10 lakhs products for our company. So company given 10% rebate. The company given 10% rebate only. Company given here 10% rebate. So company given here 10% rebate. So this 10% company given here 10% rebate only. So this 10% rebate means initially customer has to pay the 10%. Customer has to pay the full amount. The customer has to pay the full amount only. So this 10% amount they will settle after 1 year, 2 years only. So on the time period. So customers can't able to wait for 2 years, 3 years, right? So customers require discount immediately only. So that's the way your customers are preferring discounts, not rebates. So that's the way many clients not using rebates. Customers, many clients always preference your or discounts only. Why? Because so that rebate discount, that rebate percentage, they will pay so and so time period. But after 2 years, 3 years only. So this is the rebate and discount differences. So this is the rebate and discount difference only. So what is rebate here? So rebate means they want to settle amount only. Once it creates sales order every billing. So rebate means they have to settle agreement. So the 10% amount they will settle to customer, right? So this 10% amount called accruals. So they want to settle full settlement amount. So this 10% amount, company will settle to customers only. Company will settle to customers only. This 10% amount. So this 10% amount. Okay, so we have to create agreement. VB01 this is 01. VB01 create agreement. So this 10% amount create agreement only. Create accruals. So this 10% amount they have to create accrual. That means to maintain 1,000 account. Next VB02 full and final. So this 10% amount they have to create the customers only. Create agreement, create accruals, then full and final settlement. So this is called as a rebate cycle. This is called rebate cycle. So your side also no need to any configuration here. But the examination point, enterprise point, this is not as of now, many clients not using rebates. Why customers always preference discounts only. That's why this topic also you can skip, but you can answer to your client what is the difference between the rebates and discounts. Very easy difference here. That discounts means discounts amount applicable immediately, but rebate means after 1 year, 2 years they can provide rebates. So you can answer to our client, what is the discounts and rebates. So this is about discounts and rebates only. This is a rebate cycle. Create agreement, create full and fund settlement. So it's about rebates and settlement. Sorry, rebates and discount. But SAP S/4HANA called as a settlement management, not a rebates. Should business process means we already discussed, right? We already discussed the business process here. Next directly go to business process means real-time business process is back orders process. Business process means here back orders process only. Should these background jobs are useful for you when I go to job only? Any suppose not interview purpose. Once you join any support project, in support project we have to run background jobs here. That means here, so our responsibility we have to monitor only. So what is background jobs here? Suppose once customer place order Amazon website, should the order goes to SAP only automatically? The order goes to SAP automatically. How means here through background jobs. So through background jobs, once customers place the order Amazon, every 10 minutes or every 30 minutes, the order goes to SAP only. So they are the background jobs here. They are the background jobs. So example here, Amazon customer place order shirt and pants and dresses. Through integration, the order goes to SAP only. In essence, what happened? Order delivery automatically. But here every 10 minutes, once customer place the order in Amazon, so every 10 minutes, the order goes to SAP only automatically. So should in this purpose we have to create background jobs. So what are the all delivery being automatic only. Once you create an invoice, this invoice send back to Amazon 15 minutes. So here we have to work on two background jobs. One background job is Amazon orders portion to SAP. That is one background job. Once you create invoice, this invoice is sent back to Amazon. These are the background jobs. So they are the background jobs only. So real time should say above develop for custom tables and a program for background jobs. So above will create a background jobs one table and program for the background jobs here. So these jobs are integrated to SAP and web application. So these background jobs integration of SAP and web application. So how to create background jobs means T code SM36 T code to create background jobs. So SM37 monitor only background jobs status SM37 and monitor background jobs. So as a SD consultant, our responsibility is monitor background jobs. Monitor background jobs. Suppose if you want to execute background jobs manually, T code is SA38. For SA38 T code, you can execute background jobs manually. So now I will show you here how to create background. So background jobs are created by technical team, ABAP team. But as a professional consultant, your role is we have to track only. We have to monitor background jobs. So once you go to SAP screen here, once you go to SAP screen here, this SAP screen, right? Once you go to SAP screen here, enter T code SM36. SM36 T code, you can create background jobs. So you enter your job name, sounds job name here, enter job class, start the conditions. So you have to perform job immediately. So your predict value means here what happened? Other period only. So that means here every 10 minutes, every 1 minute job will post only. What job is every 1 minute? Click on save it. So once you click on save means here job will be posting every 1 minute job will be posted. So click on save it. Enter sounds the background job name. Enter sounds the variant name. You can click on continue button, save button. You can see one job is created here. So one job is created only. These are the background jobs. So this is job creation auto task. Above team will create background jobs. So once you create background jobs, SM36 create background jobs. The next, where you monitor job background jobs, you got SM37 take code. You have to monitor background jobs. So you enter take code SM37 here. Now click on execute button. It can monitor background jobs here. This is today, right? It's coming tomorrow only. Here change the date, students. Change the dates last 1 week to still date. So click on execute button. One job is executed and cancelled. So here so SM37 ticket. You can see background jobs here. So SM37 you can see background jobs. So what if you want to create background jobs manually, how to create? So T code is SA38. So enter T code here, SA38 T code. So T code SA38 T code. So enter program only. So what's the program? So go to program here. Click on background. Should enter your sounds variant name. Should you have entered execute immediately background job. So you can students one job is executed here. Should one job execute done background. So this is execute job, execute background jobs here. So execute background jobs here. So execute here background jobs. So now we can track it. SM37 I can monitor. So what are the tickets for job monitor here? SM37 only. So SM37 you can monitor background jobs here. 37. So now SM37 you can see the status. So enter T code here. SM37 should be SM37 T code. This is first right. It is showing no dates on. Here execute jobs on it. Schedule also. So click on execute. System showing how many jobs are executed here. So this is executed today only. You can see job was activated. So job was activated. So job was activated only. One job is activated. So where do you monitor SM37 T code? Can monitor background jobs. Where do you monitor means T code SM37. No, T code you can monitor background jobs here. Should have the background jobs. In SM37 can monitor background jobs here. Suppose if your background job was failure, what will you select a background job here? Click on your job log. So suppose any background job is failure, you can track it. Why background job is failure? Should have the background jobs. So SM37 T code you can monitor background jobs here. You can monitor your background jobs. T code SM37. Should have the background jobs. So any doubt in asking about background jobs here. So real time, this is not about task creating background jobs. So technical team create background jobs, but as the ST consultants, they can monitor our business process. We can monitor only. Suppose job is failure, why job is failure? What are the job status? You can monitor only. You can monitor the job status. You can monitor why jobs are failure. That is, you can do it. How to monitor background jobs here? Why jobs are failure? So these things you can handle. These things you can handle. So there are background jobs. If you go to once word for you, create job, go to educate jobs, here, not a job mentor. So they are the business process of tickets only. Inquiry, V11 ticket. Table is stored VBAK, VBAK table. Next quotation, how to create quotation. VA21 ticket here, VBAK, VBAK table. Next purchase order is not required for you. Create sales order, VA01, VBAK table. Header table, VBAP item table. Schedule and VBAP. Next delivery document, VL01 record. LIKP, LIPS table students. Next shipping, L03, VDTK table, VDTP table, header and item table. So next go to billing also, shipping table, billing VF01, VBRK, VBR table. Next account document table. So that these tables, we are the keywords and tables of the business process. Sales order, delivery, billing tables. Should we already discuss, right? What is inquiry here? Inquiry means here customer inquiry about sounds about only. Whenever customer inquiry report, company send the quotation. What is the quotation? How to create inquiry? Customer inquiry about email inquiry, mobile inquiry, telephone inquiry, and website inquiry. This is inquiry about what only. So based on customer inquiry, company send the quotation. So based on the customer inquiry here, company send the quotation only. The QT means your quotation. After inquiry document in SAP, we can create quotation document. So quotation means with reference to quotation only. Inquiry, reference to quotation. Service quotation to customer. So based on customer inquiry, company send the quotation here. But based on the customer inquiry only, company send the quotation. Suppose once a customer is satisfied with the quotation, then place the order. What is the quotation document here? Quotation document consists of customer details, details, validity, price details. So terms and conditions, quotation. So once customer places the order created. What is order here? Order means simply sales order means the customer and company agreement. What is sales order here? Customer and company agreement only. So once you create sales order, system will determine these documents only. So once you create sales order here, system will determine these documents. So part determination and availability transfer requirement, pricing, credit management, all determination, estimation. So these are called as the sales order functions. So once you create a sales order, system will perform the activities. These are the sales order activities. Should they are the sales order activities. So they are the sales order activities. So next about delivery. So delivery means here, once you create delivery means it consists of picking, packing, and PG also. So once you create PGI, backend system will perform the documents only. So once you create delivery, backend system will perform the activities. It updates stock update, inventory document generate, update document flow, update credit management, LIS, and bill information. So they are the PG activities. Once you create PGI, system will perform the activities. They are the PG activities, PG functions, PG documents only. So what is meaning of PG? Post goods issue. So after PG, once you done PG, so next you can invoice only. System will create the invoice only. So what is invoice here? Billing document. So once you create billing document, system will perform the activities. So once you create billing document, system will perform the activities only. What activities here? It updates stock. So this is billing only. Once you create billing, system will return the document. So it is revenue document generated, cost and document generated, profit document generated, debit document flow, LIS, and credit management. So they are the what so once you create invoice billing, revenue account document generate, profit document generate, cost and document generate, WLIS, debit document flow, and credit management. So they are the billing activities or billing functions. Next go to these are the sales order, PGA, and billing activities. So they are the so this is the sales order delivery billing activities only. Sales order PGA billing activities. So next go written order. So what written order here? So written order means here whenever customer place order, any parts are damaged or mismatch. So company will customer will raise complaint. So based on customer complaint, company will create written order, written delivery, written billing. So company refund the customers only. This is called written order. So written order happen whenever customer will complain. So what is the accounting entry for written order? So written order accounting is here. Company account is debit, customer credit only. So what is written order accounting entry? Written order accounting entry is revenue account debit to customer credit. So written order accounting entry is revenue account is credit. So customer revenue account is debit means so revenue account debit to customer account is credit. This is called written order. So written order means here revenue account debit. Revenue means customer company account only. So company account is credit. Company account is debit to customer credit only. So this is the written order accounting entry. Should next go to invoice correction request. To create a request, date request only. So why this invoice correction request happen here? So this invoice correction happen. Suppose the billing employee wrong invoice. The billing employee suppose actual mobile cost 25,000. The billing employee raise excess amount, excess power charges. The billing employee did over billing employee process only. The billing employee did over charges. So in this scenario, what happened? Customer will complain on them. The user mistake raise over charges. So company will adjust the money to create a request. So company refund the amount of customer. Company is customer paid excess amount. So this excess amount refund to the customer only. Thus we are revenue account debit to customer account is credited. Your revenue account is credited. So revenue account is debited. Company is refund amount to customer. So create a request. Company is refund amount to customers only. Company refund the amount to customer. So that is revenue account debit. Customer account is created only. So this is a create request. Should next about date request only. What a date request here? So date request means the same one. This is also invoice correction. So actual mobile cost 25,000. But the customer, the billing employee was 23 only. Customer is paid 2,000 less amount. So in this scenario, company will write date request to customer. Customer is pay the customer has to pay the balance amount to company only. So this is called as a date request. The balance amount is the customer need to pay the company only. So company will create a data request. So company will create a customer only. So customer will pay balance amount. So this is data request, data request, both are invoice correction only. So both are invoice correction request. So here customer account debit to company payment, normal accounting entry. So if you go to any interview and examinations, so they can ask for accounting entry. What is accounting entry for standard order? Accounting entry for written order? Accounting entry for data request? Accounting entry for data request? So they can ask these questions on what accounting entry for data request, what accounting data request. Should you can see next invoice correction? So this is invoice correction question. So invoice correction request means here. What debit request, data request. So invoice correction request means here debit request, data request only. Invoice correction request. So invoice correction request can maintain indicator D only. That means here it is a system is saying it is a data request. This is also invoice correction. Is a data request, data request. So all of the business process only. All of the business process. Next you can see cash check. All document type is cash check. CS or BU only. So document type is cash sale. See, what is cash sale here? Shouldn't cash sale means here pay the money and pick the up immediately. So cash check. So cashier means you suppose the example is the D-Mart, Value Mart, so on, so on, so on. These are all cash. Example for cashier. So pay the money and pick the amount immediately. It's called cashier. So best example is D-Mart, Value Mart, any shopping malls only. This is called cashier. So cashier accounting entry is cash settlement account debit to revenue account is credit. But here cash settlement account debit only. So cash settlement account debit to revenue account credit only. This is cashier. So cash settlement, cash sale order type baby. Delivery also baby, billing also baby. So next go to rush order. So what rush order here? Rush order means here. Fruits rush order means here. So customer receive what customer receive what immediately, but invoice letter. Here customer account debit to revenue account credit only. Normal accounting. So rush order means here no need to pay the money immediately. The customer rush order means here no need to pay the money immediately only. So customer here rush order means here no need to pay immediately. So pick them immediately, but invoice letter. So rush order means a customer receive what immediately, but invoice letter. Example is so accounting entry customer account debit to revenue credit. Order type is rush order RO. So delivery is yellow standard delivery. Billing also standard billing F1 F2. So this is a rush order. So next you can see free of delivery. Simply sending sample to customers. Should these goods free only sending sample to customers. They are the free of delivery. Simply sending sample to customers only. They are the free, no charge, no price. So these samples are free of cost. Should these samples are free of cost only, no billing. They are the free of cost. So they are the free of cost only, no delivery, no billing. No delivery, no billing only. Free of cost, free of delivery, no billing, no delivery. So next you can see subsequent free of delivery. What is subsequent free of delivery here? Simply the subsequent free of delivery simply replace the product. Should you simply replace the product only? Suppose customer order one product, some damage happened. They don't want return the products. Simply they are asking to replace the product only. So this is called as a subsequent pre-op delivery. Simply replace the product. This is called subsequent pre-op delivery. Here also no price, no billing. Simply they are the subsequent pre-op delivery. Simply no pricing, no billing. They are the subsequent pre-op delivery. So they are the business process only. So next you can say contract. What is contract? So simply contract is a contract, not legal document. So this is what a company and customer contract. So what is contract means can cancel anytime. What is contract? Contract not legal document. We can cancel immediately. Next you go to agreement. So what is agreement? Agreement is legal document. So if you do any agreement for the company and the customer contract. So company and customer agreement. TC means quantity contract. The customer company contract. So we have whatever create contract. So next go to agreement. What agreement is company and customer agreement? An agreement between company and customer. But if you want to any agreement here, this is legal document. So if you want to cancel any agreement, you can proceed legally. Agreement is legal document. If you want to cancel any agreement here, you can proceed legally. Whatever contract not legal document. You can break the contract anytime. So they are the contracts and agreement. So they are the contracts and agreements. So they are the business process. So they are the business process only. They are the contract agreement, customer company contract. So they all are the business process only. Inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, billing, rush order, cash, written order, claim request, and pre-op delivery and subsequent pre-op delivery. These all are business process only. As per the client requirement, we have to configure business process. As per the client requirement, we have to configure business process only. So they are the business process. Should take a break. Should take a break for 10 to 15 minutes. Should after break continue next topics. Should take a break. Take a break. Should take a break. Should take a break for 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Should take a break. Should after break. Should come back now. We can see remaining business process. Should next you can see consignment sales. So this is option only. Consignment sales option of it. As per the client requirement, we have to configure consignment sales. So what is consignment sales here? Dumping the stock at customer location. So dumping the stock at customer location. Suppose customer is on location. So dumping the stock at customer location. So dumping the stock at customer location. Suppose customer is there in so location, company other location here. Those stock dumping to customer location. So dumping the stock at customer location. This is a consignment. So there are the four business process. So the consignment sales are four business process only. So consignment fill up, consignment fill up, consignment fill up. What is consignment fill up here? So consignment fill up here, just dumping to customer location. Suppose the plant is some other location, customers. So this stock is dumped into some other location only. So dumping the stock at customer location. So consignment fill up. So here, suppose we have plant into North India, customers South India only. So these North Indian stock will dump into customer location, South Indian. So this is dumping the stock at customer location. So dumping the stock at customer location. So the consignment sales, CF is consignment sales is CF is the document type, order type CF. Item category KBN, moment type is etc. Serial category EN. The consignment sales, so is billing. Order delivery only. Here no billing. So consignment sales here, order delivery happen, no billing here. So order delivery happen, no billing here, consignment sales. So no inventory account here. So company stock dumped at some other location, no billing here. So next I go to consignment issue. So next I go to consignment issue. What a consignment issue is? Whenever consignment agent seller goes to customer. So consignment issue means here, suppose customer place order, no need to go to plant location, the consignment location stock only. So we have to do the stock to customer. Here order delivery billing happen. So system will create inventory document. Once customer place the order, deliver goes to consignment location. So this is called consignment sales only. So this is called consignment sales only. So this is called consignment sales. Consignment issue. Another customer place no need to go to client location. So no need to go to the plant location. We can deliver goods from only consignment location. So consignment issue document type is yes. Item category KN. Moment type is 633. So you category 61 is C1 number. So consignment issue order delivery billing happened. So consignment issue here order delivery billing happened. Order delivery billing happened. Stock will be, you can see what accounting into the consignment issue. So cost of goods account debit to element account is created. The cost of goods account debit to element account is created. This is called consignment issue. So consignment issue means here. So goods will deliver to consignment location only. Through consignment location, not plant location. So order delivery billing happens into consignment sales. Should here order delivery billing happens to consignment sales only. Next is the consignment. Suppose any parts are damaged. So what a consignment is, any parts are damaged here. So customer will be looking to consignment location. Should any parts are damaged here, customer looking to consignment location, not plant location. So here also order delivery billing happen. What a billing here, return billing happen. So consignment return means here return order created. So return delivery happen, or return billing happen. What is inventory account here? The inventory document is debit to cost of goods account date only. So any parts are damaged, the consignment location customer return to consignment location only, not plant location. So you can, so this is consignment notes. Next I go to consignment pickup. So what I consignment pickup is last one is unsold order sent to plant location, company location. So company stock transfer to company only. So in this scenario, no billing happen. Only order will happen, no billing only. So consignment pickup means no billing, no billing. Only order will happen. Order will happen, no billing here. Order will happen, no billing here. So this is called as the consignment pickup. So last 1 year unsold product sent back to company only. This is called consignment pickup. So last 1 year answer report sent back to company only. So this is called consignment pickup. So that's the consignment sales. We have 4 business process: consignment develop, consignment issue, consignment return, consignment pickup. So consignment issue and consignment returns we have billing only. So consignment issue, consignment return only billing happen. So these 2 processes billing happen only. So consignment issue and consignment return billing happen. Should this consignment sales optional, not a mandatory? It's optional. As per the client requirement, we have to conduct consignment sales. But as per the client requirement, we have to consignment sales only. So in the consignment sales, consignment issue and consignment return only billing happen. Billing happen. Should actually consider third party sales only. So third party sales, this is integration between SD and MM. So what is third party sales here? This is integration between SD and MM only, third party sales here. So why third party sales happen? So whenever customer place the order, stock is not available, company will have POT vendor. So vendor will push the customer only. So this is called third party sales. So this is called third party sales here. So whenever customer place the order here, so whenever customer place order, stock is not available, company will raise POT vendor, vendor will push the customer only. Company will invoice the customer, vendor will invoice the company only. So this is called as a consignment third party sales. This is called a third party sales. Whenever customer replace the order, stock is not available, so company will raise the POT vendor, vendor will push the customer only. So this is called as a third party sales. So what scenario third party sales can happen? Suppose stock is not available. So stock is not available, not manufacturing the parts only. So in this purpose, you can do third party sales. Stock is not available or not manufacturing parts only. So in these parts only, you can do third party sales. So in this scenario, you can do third party sales. So third party sales is 2 types only. Third party sales is with ship notification, without ship notification. So third party sales is with ship notification may go, and without ship notification may go only. So third party sales here with ship notification may go, and without ship notification may go only. So third party sales item category TES, item category group is BNS. In third party sales, material type is Java only, or trading goods. So third party sales material type is Java, which is called trading goods only. These are the trading goods. So third party sales 2 types only. Third party sales with ship notification and without ship notification. So you can see third party sales. Once you go to your SAP screen here, once you go to SAP screen here, so log into SAP screen here. Should log into SAP screen here. Should log into SAP screen here. In third party sales here. Should log into SAP screen third party sales. I will show you item category. TAS. So go to third party sales. Go to SAP screen here. Log into SAP screen. Should go to item category. Third party item category. I'll show you. Go to third party sales item category. Should go to your item category. Vivo V6 transaction code. Vivo V7 T code. Item category. So third party sales item category TS only. So click on position here. Enter item category TS. This is third party sales item category TS. So click on TS. In TS, you can see bill elements. So third party sales bills only. Third party sales bills only. With ship notification, show ship notification. So you can see what means F only. So F means here without shipping notification. We can create Miro only. This is F only. F means here we already billing account invoice for only. Next, we shipping notification Miro only. Delivery quantity. So third party sales created without shipping notification and with shipping notification. So the third party sales only. Under with and without shipping notification. So once you go to workful here, you can see based on Mego only invoice. Suppose Miro is not created, invoice not system not created invoice only. So this third party sales here with and without notification. So based on Mego one invoice to customers. So billing relevance G control that third party sale with notification. So based on Mego only invoice to customer only. So third party sales with and without notification only. So based on Mego and based on Mero only invoice to customer. So that is third party billing relevance F under third party sale without notification. So without Mero, can't able to invoice to customer only. So here Beginners F only. And next Beginners G only. That means based on the Mego only invoice raised to customer. Here Beginners maintain G only. This is without notification. So to create PO automatically. How to get PO? So in sales organization. So in sales organization, maintain yearly. If you maintain yearly, PO will get automatically sales order. So next it goes to category. And then decision category only. Should go to SAP is near. Should go to SAP is near. Should go to SAP is near. You enter scheduling category. T code is Vivo Visit start. T code here. Scheduling category. We enter T code here. Vivo Visit T code here. Scheduling category. Enter scheduling category. Click on position here. Which company? JD, right? Patrika. Sorry, this is third party, right? CS only. So third party scheduling category CS only. You can see CS here. Third party. CS here. Third party sales scheduling category. CS only. So you can see R type NB only. So R type. So in third party sales there is a movement types. So in third party sales there is a movement types only. Why no movement type third party sales here? In third party sales here, goods will deliver from vendor, not from customer. So that's why in third party sales there is no movement type. Third party sales. So you can see R type NB only. Through R type NB only system will get purchase requisition. So based on purchase requisition, system create PO. So based on purchase requisition, system create PO only. So item category 5 means dummy PO is created. So third party sales, there is no inventory account document. Why? In third party sales, goods will deliver from vendor. So that's why third party sales, there is no inventory account documents. So third party sales is goods will deliver from vendor only. So third party sales, you can say no availability check, no requirement here. Why? Third party sales, goods will deliver from vendor only. That's where no inventory account document created, no stock availability. So they are the third party sales. So they are the third party sales only. The third party configuration. Should go to once go to word for here, third party sales here. Third party sales mentioned certificate CS only, art of NB, item category, account receivable category there here. They are the third party configuration. You can see order to cash also. What is order to cash process? So maintain billing quantity F only. So billing quantity F means here the invoice copy to the customers only. Billing quantity E means here copy quantity from Mego to invoice only. So the other third party sales configuration. So this topic is optional only. As per the client requirement, we have to configure third party sales. So this is third party sales cycle. Create BP, create material, sales order, create PO, create Mero, and billing. So Mero means here you can see without shipping notification. So without shipping notification, create a Mero. So this Mero will create by MM only. But without shipping notification, create Mero. So this Mero will create by MM only. So we shipping notification created by Mega only. You are created Mega only. We shipping notification create Mega only. Third party sales, third party with third party we shipping notification. create a VB, create material, order created, create PO, create Mego, billing only. So this Mego and Mero created by MM only. So MM consultants create a Mego and Mero. So there are third party sales with and without ship notification. So third party sales written order, item cut TASC. So third party sales written item category TASC only. So the other third party sales. So this topic is optional. As per the client requirement, we have to configure third party sales. So as per the client requirement, we have to configure third party sales. This topic is optional, not a mandatory. So as per the client requirement, we have to go third party sales. So this is SD and MM integration only. SD and MM integration only, third party sales. So next go to IPO sales. So IPO sales are also optional. So very rare scenario using IPO sales. So IPO sales are same like third party sales, but one more step add here. What IPO sales is whenever customer place the stock is not available, so company will like POT vendor. Your vendor will give the goods to company. Then company will give the goods to customers only. So this is called IPO sales. So this is IPO cycle only. Create PPP, create material, create sales order, create PO, create this is goods receipt, Migo, invoice receipt, and every billing only. So next you can see cycle. Create order created, purchase order created, goods received, invoice received, delivery, billing order, billing to customer. So this is thought. This is IPO sales. What IPO means here? Individual purchase order. So this is integration of SD MM only. So IPO sales also IPO also integration of SD and MM. So this is integration of SD MM only. So IPO sales requirement type is KAP. So an IPO sales we have maintenance structure indicator. Recommended class also KAP. So IPO sales requirement type recommended class both are KAP only. KAP. So item category TAB. Item category TAB business A only. So once you go to your item category, so go to once SAP is near. So you can say third party scheduling category. Third party scheduling category CB only. So third party scheduling category CB only. This is IPO sales. IPO sales CB. IPO sales only. What is moment type is 601? Should IPO sales moment type is 601? Should IPO sales moment type is 601? Should R type NB? Should R type NB? Item category 0 and account is mature. So they are the third party. They are the IPO sales configuration. So IPO sales you can see item input delivery, purchase request scheduling. So they are the IPO sales only. What is IPO sales here? Individual purchase order. Should IPO means here individual purchase order. So this is individual purchase order. So once you go to item category TAB, should next go to here item category TAB only. Should go to item category here. Go to decode Vivo Wisdom decode here. Vivo Wisdom decode here. Should enter item category TAS. Item category TAS only. Should click on here item category TAS. Should look at here enter item category TAS only. So TAB, right? So IPO says TAB, sorry. To enter, click on position here. Should click on position, enter item category TAB here. Item category TAB here. Item category TAB students. To enter item category TAB, click on here. This is you can see TAB individual purchase order. Should you can see mention specific category here. So IPO sales maintenance specific category that means power in hand. Billion save only. So what a billion save means a billing have based on everything. Normal pricing, standard pricing only. So they are the configurations of IPO sales. These are the configuration of IPO sales. So this is the optional only. As per the client requirement, we have to configure IPO sales. So as per the client information, we have to configure IPO sales. So look at here, what is item category? Item category B and P and C based only. Item category TAB and item category group B and C, third party. So the IPO sales. So category CP only. So they are the IPO sales. So the most IPO sales using very, very less scenarios. So next go to make to order. Make to order option only. This is also optional. So next you can say make to order. So what to make to order? Whenever customer places the order with own requirement, we will create make to order process only. Whenever customer places the order. So whenever customer places the order only. So what is make to order here? So whenever customer places the order with own specification, we can create make to order. Or should whenever customer places the order, we can create make to order only. Whenever customer places own requirement, we start the process manufacturing process. Should make to order means here after place the order, company will start the production. After sales order only, production order will start. Should look at here, create BP, create material, and create sales order. So delivery billing, sales order, production order, goods issue, in outbound delivery, billing. So okay, whenever customer places order its own specification, we are doing make to order. So make to in sales order screen, in procurement tab, maintain requirement type is KE. So after production and goods issue, you have to deliver the goods to customers only. But after production and goods issue, we have to delivery and invoice only. So what is make to order? Whenever customer place the order with own requirement, we will start the process of management person. So make to order means here. So customer place the own specification. We will create make to order. So what is configuration part make to order here? Create BP. So BP company will manufacture the goods only as per the customer requirement. Should make to order means here item group is 3001 make to order. Starting with 20 only. MRP, middle master maintenance started with 20. But whenever getting sales order, maintain account table KU. So go to once SAP is here. Should look at it, I'm creating one sales order. So make order means here, maintain account table KU only. Should I am creating one sales order here? Should I am creating one sales order here? Enter R type is triple Z here. Enter the triple Z here. Should enter Z here. Enter sold part is something Ravi, right? Ravi distributor. Should enter middle is Pratik, right? I think double P1 or something in there. Yeah, Pratik textile double P1. Should enter the order quantity is 1 quantity. Another getting sales order, made order means go to procurement tab, maintain requirement type is recommend type is K. This is 0 from right? This is standard order. Recommend type is 0 from standard order only. For make to order, so maintain a requirement type is KE. So we can see the KE only. If you maintain KE only, this is becoming make to order. So this is make to order. So after once you create sales order, then start a production only. Should go to once word for here. Should make to order process. Should you can look at here. Should item care TAK only make to order. Question category. So once you go to SAP screen here, you can see item category TAK. Should enter T code, item category T code, Vivo BC1 T code, you can go to item category. Should we can position here. enter TJK item category. You can see TJK here. So you can see TJK is there. Item category. Patient category only. Make to order. This is order in hand. So once you order in hand, this is indicator only. Patient category only. Order in hand. So billing happen based on delivery. Pricing is standard pricing. So they are the make to order configuration. Account category control that when you finish the goods to deliver the customer empty only. So this is a cycle. Create sales order, create stock overview, MB1C stock posting, MB1C here Migo, right? This is Migo only, not MB1C. Migo, MMB stock overview, create delivery, create billing only. So make to our cycle is sales order created, production order, goods issue, order delivery invoice only. This is make to order. So should make to order means here. Should make to order means here whenever customer place the order, after customer order only production order started. So once stock is available, does the customer handle only. So this is called make to order. So this, should you can ask any doubts, any questions? So next I go to your stock transfer order. So next I go to your stock transfer order. So this is MM and SD integration, stock transfer order. So major configurations are from MM only. This is the stock transfer order. Simply stock transfer between one plant to other plant. So what is your stock transfer order here? So stock transfer between one plant to other plant. So plant to plant stock transfer. So stock transfer between one plant to other plant. So a plant to plant stock transfer only. So this is called as stock transfer order. Plant. Suppose we have two plants in Hyderabad plant, Vizag plant. So Vizag plant will start with Hyderabad plant. So stock transfer between one plant to other plant. So this is called as a make to sorry, STO process, stock transfer order. So stock transfer between one plant to other plant. This is called stock transfer order. And both are same company, different companies only. Stock transfer between both company, different companies only. So this is the two types only. Intra-company. Stock transfer between plant to plant, same and different company. Student, you can see diagram here. You can understand here. This is a cycle only. Create a PO, create delivery, billing document, create billing, create mega only. So you can see cycle here. We have two plants only. Receive plant, supplying plant. What is receive plant? What is supplying plants only? So suppose the receiving plant requires stock. Supplying plant will let us stock receiving plants only. There are two plants, right? Receiving plant and supplying plant. Here receiving plant. What is receiving plant here? Receiving plant is the Hyderabad plant. Hyderabad plant requires stock. Who is supplying plant here? Supplying plant Vizag plant. So Vizag plant will supply stock to receiving plant only. Here receiving plant is the Hyderabad plant. Supplying plant Vizag plant. So receiving plant will go to supplying plant. So supplying plant will go to receiving plants only. So these are the So this is stock transfer. This is stock transfer, one-step process, two-step process. So stock transfer between one plant to other plant. Should we have two steps process? What is two process here? Should stock transfer between plant to plant, two steps only. One-step process means here receiving plant will give to supplying plant. Supplying plant directly deliver the goods to receive plant only. To the rest of people. What is two-step process here? Receiving plant will give to supplying plant. Supplying plant will transfer to receive plants only. But after mega only stock will add to receiving plant. But two-step process may be required. Study two-step process may be required only. So one-step process may be not required. Should take a break of 5 minutes. After break, continue. Or take a break, students. Take a break of 5 minutes. Should come back now. So you can see stocks on product. So this is SD and MM integration. So this should simply stocks on between one plant to other plant. So one step person is directly receiving plant will go to supplying plant. Supplying plant will do the stock to some plants only. So one step process. But two step process means after mega only stock later receiving plant. But after mega only stock after mega only stock later receiving plant only. So after mega only stock later receiving plants only. So this is stocks on product. Should you can see? So this is two types only: intra-company, inter-company. Intra means here same company, plant to plant, same company stock transfer. Both plants are same company only. Intra means both plants are different company. So there is a configuration point of view. So the major configuration involved by client only. Sorry, MM only. So should STO process plant as a customer. Should STO process plant as a customers only. STO process plant as customers only. So plant as a customer. Should we have to extract between both the plants here? And then define shipment our plant, this is among configuration. SN daily type and checking rule here. And SN document type, one step process and two step process only. Should you can see this is cycle only, create PO. MM people create PO only. So next create delivery. Next this is not required. Item category momentum only. Should billing on SD point topic it only billing document. So create delivery, create PO, create delivery, next billing. So SD people create delivery only. So SD people only create billing only. SD side. SD side create customer, create billing only. Create billing only. So there are movement types of third party. So right, STO sales, STO movement types only. Studio process, one step process. Inter-company, intercompany. What are intercompany STO movement types? Should you can see intra-company STO, intercompany STO. So moment type 641 for intercompany STO. Intra means here both plants are same company only. So moment type of 640 for intercompany STO. Moment type of 640 is one step process. Two. So intercompany sales one step process, two step process only. One step process moment types, two step process moment types only. R type UB for intercompany NB, for intercompany type NL, intercompany NLCC, intercompany NLN, intercompany STO NLC only. So they are the movement types, order type, derivative type, and item category. So next, stock transport written order, intercompany. Student, for if you put resume for stock transport can be purchased only. So suppose if you put a resume, stock transport order can maintain this. You have to remember this configuration. So they are the intra-company and inter-company STO configurations. So next go to cycle, intra-company cycle. This is intra-company only, no billing. Intra-company means plan to plan stock transfer, same company, no billing. So intra-company means with both are different plans, they have billing only. Two-step process cycle, create PO, create delivery, create billing, no billing only. So two-step process may be required. But a one-step process may be not required only. Create PO, create delivery, that's it. Billing also not there. Intra-company means no billing. Plan to plan stock transfer, both are same plans only, no billing. Next, you can see intra-company STO movement, STO process. Create PO, create delivery, billing is there. Why intra-company billing here? Both are different plans only. So both are different plans only. That's where billing happened. So you can see this is written orders also. Create PO, create delivery, written order also. You can see this is written billing, written BIGO. So there will be stock transfer order, stock transfer intra-company and intra-company stock transfer order. Should you can ask any doubts, any questions here, students? So this is only optional only. So this topic is so this is stock transfer optional. Real time people create this stock transfer order. So SD point creates sales order only. SD point creates only for the billing only. Remaining all configuration done by team. So this is stock transfer order. So you can ask any doubts, any questions here. So next week our law section, right? So only few things are different. Pending students, we'll discuss about those only. Resume preparation, interview discussion, how to prepare interview, how to prepare resume. Okay, so these topics will cover into next section. Okay, students, thank you for joining. Any questions, any doubts can reach out to me. Should only few things are pending. That is IDOCs and the interfaces, only few things are pending. These topics to discuss in next section only. This document I will share you can read it. So most probably today topics are optional, but as per the client requirement, we have to configure here. So as per the client requirement, we have to configure. So this document I will send you to chat box, you can download. So this document I am sending it only, you can download. Okay, students, thank you for joining. See you next section, next chapter, the last section. Thank you, students. Thank you for joining on SD. See you on next section.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, students. Thank you, students. Thank you for joining.